Episode 4 of Good Video, Bad Video, where I help you determine whether a clip online is ethical or unethical as a philosophy major. I want to switch it up a little bit and look at this one from a standpoint of ethical egoism. Some of you might know it as being egotistical, right? So ethical egoism basically states that what is ethical is what benefits you the most in any given time. So this bird benefited significantly from stealing the pizza, right? So bird is practicing ethical egoism by putting the needs of the person who ordered the pizza under his or her own needs. This, from the standpoint of ethical egoism, which is a very controversial philosophical viewpoint, is ethical, with the bird side of the story being the one in favor. If you found this video entertaining, I just started, so drop a follow, it would help a lot.